product is called Good Morning Minerals. It's part of the Clean Spirits line, and why is this important? The Clean Spirits line was made to really help with emotional, mental, psychological, spiritual, and physical health. So many times, doctors and scientists just focus on the physical. It was really important with this line to be able to address issues that people may have, whether they have depression or anxiety or OCD or ADHD or even bipolar and schizophrenia. This line was really created to help the body get clean and then supported. The reason it's called by its name is because you need these minerals in the morning, but you also need them at night so you can sleep better. This is a fantastic product to start your day with or even end your day with so you can have the best life possible. I always say we can't cure illnesses and diseases. Our body has to naturally use what it has inside to make it the best it can be, and then you can be the best version of yourself. This is one of the products that I think will help people do that. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it makes you physically, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally feel better with your life.